Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make iced tea from a packet using an easy method. It's perfect for a quick, refreshing drink on a warm day or any time you crave a cool beverage. We'll cover everything from gathering your simple ingredients to enjoying your perfectly mixed glass. Get ready to enjoy a delicious, homemade iced tea in just a few moments. First, take your chosen iced tea packet and carefully empty all its contents into your glass. Next, pour in about 8 ounces of cold water. This amount is usually perfect for a standard packet, but you can adjust it slightly to your taste. Now, grab a spoon and stir vigorously until all the powder is fully dissolved and there are no clumps left.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tips. And on another note, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? It's perfect for setting the mood while you enjoy your freshly made iced tea. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your tea powder is completely dissolved, it's time to make it truly iced. Fill your glass generously with ice cubes to ensure a perfectly chilled and refreshing drink. For an extra touch, you might want to add a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. And just like that, your delicious, homemade iced tea is ready to be savored. Here are a few tips to make your iced tea even better. If you prefer a stronger or weaker tea, simply adjust the amount of water you add. For those who like it sweeter, feel free to stir in a little sugar or your favorite sweetener. Always use cold water for the best mixing results and a truly refreshing experience. Enjoy customizing your perfect glass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.